After 4 hours of traveling on local bus, we finally arrived in Kataragama.
Looking around, I think we are the only two travelers here.
As soon as we arrived, we headed straight to the local market to try some fruit.
I couldn't resist the fresh coconut. Very good.
The market here is full of color, with stalls piled high with tropical fruits.
You can really feel the local vibe as vendors call out their prices.
We couldn't miss the famous Kataragama Temple. It's a place of deep spiritual significance with pilgrims coming from all over.
This is Nithiya, our local friend. Thanks to Nithiya, we learned some fascinating things about this place and its rich history.
We had to take off our shoes before entering the temple as footwear is not allowed inside.
People here break open coconuts as part of their rituals, believing it helps fulfill their wishes.
And at this place we witness an old spirit possess the body of a woman.
It was terrible, especially for me. Here you can see footage of the exorcism of the old spirit from the woman's body.
It was fascinating, creepy, and truly unforgettable. The local prayers were also an unforgettable experience.
This place is where several religions meet and live together in peace, including Hinduism, Buddhism, and Islam.
This is the largest local temple, and it's said that hidden Buddha treasures are kept inside. Locals gather here every day to dance their traditional religious dances.
I really wanted to try it. It's new day, new adventure. We are moving to our new accommodation, a safari camp.
The journey there was rough.
But it was definitely worth it. Just look at it.
Our tented cabin in the middle of Yala Safari, surrounded by nothing but the wild, was an adventure in itself. Yala Safari is a place like no other, where the wilderness takes over, and you are surrounded by incredible wildlife in their natural habitat.
You can spot many species of birds, elephants and buffalo here, but this place is most famous for its leopards.
spent our lunch break at the spot where monkeys gathered, and we could feed them, but we had to be careful not to let them steal our food. So our safari adventure came to an end, but the memories of the wild, the animals and the untamed beauty of Yala will stay with us forever.
The next day, our friend Nithiya and her family invited us to a cooking class at their home. They showed me how to prepare a local specialty, curry dhal and coconut sambal. Nithiya and her mom were amazing teachers, and the cooking class flew by full of fun and laughter. But the best part was eating the food we made. And yes, we ate it with hands.
After a delicious lunch, Nithiya's father drove us to our next stop, Ella.
Hi! Whoa.
The drive was unforgettable as we saw more elephants up close than we did all day on safari.
Two photos. Go.
We stopped to buy some sarongs and then continued on our way.
Hello? Wanna come?
In Ella we boarded a train that's considered one of the most beautiful train rides in the world.
The atmosphere was amazing as the locals made their journey even more enjoyable with music.
During our train ride we saw countless tea plantations.
The train journey lasted 6 hours, but it was definitely worth it. As soon as we arrived in Kandy, we set off to explore. Our first stop was the Pettah Temple.
The Ambuluwawa Tower offered some of the most stunning views across all of Sri Lanka.
Of course, it wouldn't be a trip to Sri Lanka without visiting a tea plantation. The transfer to our final destination, Colombo, took about 4 hours.
The Grand Bell Hotel Colombo was amazing, and it cost us only €70 per night.
It was an amazing experience. The mosque at Pettah Market was stunning with its beautiful architecture.
The market was bustling with energy, with vendors selling everything from spices to textiles.
Thank you so much for watching our Sri Lanka adventure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave us a comment. It really means a lot to us. And remember, when you travel, don't just collect magnets, collect friendships. See you in the next one!